pay our debt and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Thank you, Chrissy. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today?
We're doing good.
Yes. It is good that you're doing good today. So, now let me check your attendance. Who are the absents today? Yes? Alvar, Bernard, and the rest of your classmates. Okay. Before we start our discussion this afternoon, what was our previous topic? Who knows what our previous topic is all about? Yes? Yes? Yes, verb. So, what is verb? What is the definition of verb?
Verb is an action word.
Yes, verb is an action verb. So, what? Can you give me the examples of verbs?
Running.
Anything else? Yes, thank you. Very good. So, for today, I have prepared here some sort of pictures, and I want you to analyze these pictures and answer the following questions. So, the first picture. What is the first picture all about? Festival. Dance. Festival. No, the picture. Yes, floral fascinated floral cloth parade. So, what if you're in a situation where you've witnessed the fascinated floral cloth parade? What would you feel, or what would the first thing that comes to your mind, or the first word that you will say?
Wow.
Wow, yes, very good. The next picture. This. What is the picture all about?
Finance. Grades.
Yes.
Score.
Yes. The 100%.
Perfect score.
Getting a 100% in your exam. So, same question. If you are in a situation where you get a high score, what would you feel, or what would the first thing that comes to your mind? What comes to your mind? Like, I know, anything else?
Happy.
Like,
Surprise.
the emotion that comes to your
Happy and you know it.
It could be
Uy. Kinusong ka rin.
Surprise.
okay. Next, last picture. So what do you think is the picture all about?
Injection.
Getting an injection. So if you are in a situation where you get an injection, what would you feel, or what?
Ouch.
Ouch. Very good. Okay.
Nag-feeling.
So by those words that you have been created, what do those words represent? Do they express a sudden emotion or reaction? Yes. What do you think would be our topic for today? No. Reaction. Very good, Ara. Yes.
That's why you show us injection earlier.
Yes. So since you already know what's our topic for today, let me give you the learning outcomes or the objectives that you will gain for this discussion. For our learning outcomes, this week everyone,
At the end of this lesson,
scholars will be able to supply projections and explaining the pictures prospect on the board. Recognize the third interjections its appropriate emotion. Construct sentences and use appropriate interjections. Use interjections to convey meaning.
Okay, that will be our learning outcome for today. So I will be giving you a short activity, and this activity will be called Interpret Me. So I have here some sort of emojis, and all you have to do is to supply the each interjections on it, and you put meaning after. So for example, I will give you an example. For this emoji, the interjection for this would be love. No.
In love?
No. Romantic. Lovely.
Love.
The interjection for this would be ah. Why? Guys, why? Because when something is you,
So cringe.
Okay, I will give you some emojis and you post it big in the board.
Wow.
Princess and Alimar. Yes. You post it. I have some joke here.
Dapat imuha ara kay interjection man.
Hindi ko na mga kayo. After you put and supply the interjection, you're define the meaning of it. Uy, gano? The
surprise, disgust, joy, excitement, or enthusiasm. These words or phrases can stand alone or be placed before or after a sentence. Many times, an introduction is followed by a punctuation mark, often an exclamation point.
So when we say interjection, it is a word or a single phrase that is used to express a short or a short to express or show a short sudden emotion or reaction. So these are the examples of interjection. When examples of interjections when we use it in a sentence. So remember guys that without interjections, we cannot identify if the sentence is sad, angry, or surprised. So when we use interjection, it can only be used in a casual conversation or in an informal writing. So for the first example, class, please read the first example.
Oops, I almost slipped.
Okay. So where do you think is the interjection there?
Oops.
Oops. Yes, very good. Oops.
Oops. I just brushed up.
Please note class that many times interjections is followed by a question mark or exclamation mark. Next example. Please read everyone.
I love summer, but oh my gosh, it's so hot.
Where do you think is the interjection there?
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Why?
Oh
Interview phrase.
my
Why
gosh.
is it it's not hot? Why is it? Why is it oh my gosh?
Because it's sudden. It's so
Yes,
hot.
very good because it shows a sudden reaction or reaction. Next, the last example would be everyone please read.
I'm just glad that our exams are over. Ew.
Okay, where is the interjection there in the sentence? Is that all?
Well, happy to mention.
I guess please note that the words or phrases, the interjections are they can stand alone and they can stand in the first part of the sentence or in the middle or in the last part of the sentence. Do you understand?
Yes,
Everyone? If you understand what is interjection,
Interjection is a part of speech that expresses strong or sudden emotion.
yes, it is a word or a phrase, a single word or phrase that expresses a sudden emotion or reaction. Please take note of that.
Yes.
For this time, we'll be having our assessment. And this assessment we call construct
Mawala sa tigil.
So instruction on a one-fourth sheet of paper, students should construct sentences using appropriate interjections. So each sentences should clearly convey emotion or reaction represented by the interjections. So it would be minimum of 5 sentences.
Ma'am, are you just
So I assume that you have already done with this activity and for our assignment. On a long bond paper, create a comic strip. Be sure to include interjection that matches the scene you were seeing. So you have to create a comic strip with interjections on it. Okay. So the all class